All right, today is November 11th, 2024. I wanted to wish everybody a happy Veterans Day and happy birthday to the Marine Corps. Um, I was going to do a big extravaganza, uh, I fell asleep this afternoon and didn't get around to it. But anyway, for all you veterans out there, thank you for your service. I spent 4 years in the Air Force, loved every minute of it, had a good time, worked on T-38 aircraft for a little bit over 3 years, avionics systems, and in Del Rio, Texas. Yeah, there we go. But on the off times, we had some good times. And one of these days, I'll get out the slide projector and show you some of the times that we had there at Del Rio, because I like to take a lot of photos while I was there. All of them are on slides, so I have to dig out the slide projector for that. So happy Veterans Day, and we'll see you. I got a couple of videos coming out, and we'll see you on Wednesday. So until the next time, we'll see you, and have a good time with whatever you're doing.